wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my lesson. Happy watching. Then, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, before we started our lesson, let's open our study by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, student, do you still remember about the yell last week? Do you still remember Sarudin?
No.
No. Do you still remember Windy?
Yes.
Good, great. Okay, if you still remember about the yell, I want to try this today. Okay? Yes. Okay. How's life, student? Great, excellent, good. What's more again, student? How's life, student? Great, excellent, yay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Alika, for your ask me. I'm feeling so pink today. Now, I will check your attendance. Alika? Yes. Okay, good. Sharudin?
Present.
Yes. Kias?
Present.
Yes. Dea?
Present.
Okay, good. Yuda?
Absent.
Oh, absent. Oh, okay. 1% to absent. Okay, good, the class. Now, let's flashback to our meeting last week. How still remember about the material last week, student? Do you still remember, Sharudin? Do you still remember? No. Okay, now, Windy, do you still remember?
Yes.
Yes, good, great. The last week we learned about one of kind genre text. That means we learned about spoke text. Okay, now in this today we will learn about the grammar. What is the grammar? Everybody know? Everybody know the material today? Everybody know? No.
No.
Okay, no.
No.
No. Okay. I want to ask you, what is happening right now? Broken heart surgery? No. Okay. Young people traveling? Earthquake or COVID-19? Please open your page 43 about the explanation this. But in chapter 4, I want to give your one the grammar. That is a grammar, a passive voice. So, what is the passive voice? Everybody know passive voice? Windy, passive voice? Do you know? No. Okay. Sharudin, do you know passive voice? No. Okay, I want to give an explanation about the passive voice. Look at this. Passive voice when the explanation is on the action or verb and the object of a sentence. But it's been that action is more important than the subject, and subject is unknown. Even when the subject is known, it is put in the end. So, we know subject changes to object, and the object changes to subject, and verb changes to verb 3. That is a passive voice. But in the passive voice, can use only use verbal sentence, not the nominal sentence. Now, please look at this rule of the change active voice and to the passive voice. That is the rules. The first, identify the subject and the verb, the object, like the SPO. S a subject, V as verb, and O the object, like this. The second, change the object into subject. Third, put the suitable helping auxiliary verb. And the fourth, change the verb into the verb 3. And 5, add the preposition like a by. And the last, change the subject into the object like this. That is 6 types of the rule of change active voice to passive voice like this. Okay, well, student, after we know the rules of the active voice change to the passive voice, we now have the one the change of pronouns. Next, in the active voice, we use a, you, we, they, she, he, it. But in the passive voice, we can change to the pronoun passive voice. So I should be a me, you, still you again. We change to us. They change to be them. She change to the her. And he changed to him. And the last, it changed to be still it. Like this. Do you understand, student? So far, so good. Sharudin, do you understand? Yes. Good. Windy? Yes. Great. Okay. Next, we look the example. The first. I want to give your example. The first, the teacher. The teachers is going to explanation the lesson. Yes, that is sentence the active voice. We can change to the passive voice. Look at this. The teacher is a subject. The explanation, that is verb, and the lesson is a object. Okay, now, do you remember about the rules of change the active voice to into passive voice? Okay, now the first, the lesson or object, we must write into the subject. So the lesson is going to explanation change to verb 3. That is explanatory. And add to by the teacher. So yes, like this. Okay, do you understand, student, until now? Do you understand? Okay, good. So example, to the example. See, close the door. Close the door. Okay. Now look at this. See, what is see? See is subject. Close is a verb, and the door is object. We can change. So we must write object into subject, verb change to verb 3 and the subject change to object. So we must write the door was closed. Was closed. Yes. Good. Closed by. She changed to the pronoun to passive voice. So the she passive voice pronoun that is her. Okay, good. By her. Okay. Now like this. Repeat again about the passive voice. Passive voice that is a sentence. Sentence the verbal or nominal verbal. But in passive voice only the verbal sentence we can do passive voice, not the verbal sentence. Okay. Okay, please you look at this in the example. The teacher is going to explanation the lesson. So in here subject change to object and object change to subject and verb must be change the verb 3 and we must write the lesson is going to explanation by the teacher. Okay, now until now do you understand student? Okay, Sharudin, you understand the material is today? Okay, good. Now before we finish study, I have one the text. Please your understand to the text, and after your understand, please find to the passive voice sentence in the text. Okay, and I give your 5 the active voice. Please your change to the passive voice. Okay, so far so good student. Now okay, good. Before we finish study, please close the saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. If you not understand, please you ask me. Thank you. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.